Hey guys, this is Discovery Gavel Club here. So today we will tell you how to um, become a member at our website and join it as a member. Now note that when you join our website, we will not charge you anything because you're not joining our club, you're joining our website. There's a difference. I'll explain afterwards. So as I said, this is our website, which you can see right here. This is the homepage, and the website is available at discoverygal.com, discoverygalclub.wixsite.com/discovery. Uh, Sometimes when you enter the code, it might not work because there's a problem with the code. But in our Facebook page and YouTube channel and all our social media, and the link is there, you can go there. So when you come to our homepage, there are plenty of options. From here, you can go to our social media and you can read it. It's pretty easy, that one. You can do it by yourself. Um, Now, if you want to receive newsletters, let's say we are sending some emails to our members about events and stuff like that, newsletters, and sometimes we make magazines like that. So if you enter your email and subscribe here, uh, your email will be submitted, and next time whenever we make a newsletter, it will go automatically to you. Now these icons here, these are our social media. If you click on YouTube, you go to YouTube, our YouTube page. If you click on LinkedIn, you go to our LinkedIn page, and if you click on Facebook, you'll go to that page. You can click on Instagram, Twitter. It's all like that. So now to become a member, click login. Then a login screen comes. Either you sign up or you log in. You enter your name, you enter your email, and once you do that, and you wait, you make your own password. And once you do that, you just click sign up. When you click sign up, um, it will say your it's a success, your login has been sent and is awaiting approval. So after that, I will approve it manually and you'll have to wait. So now I approved the request. You're going to log in again, and you go here into already member login. When you do that, it, you can log in with Facebook or Google. If you already are a member from those platforms, but don't do from Facebook, it's not reliable. Um, you will enter your password, the one you entered while signing up, and once you do that, you can enter the website and as a member. So once you log in, you'll have access to the full site. See, it will say here, hello, whatever your name is, and you can write blogs if you have the permission to do that. You can do a lot of things. We also have an app, it's called the Wix app. There's another video about it. And mm, if you want to learn how to do this on a phone, in a phone, don't do from the website. We have an app for a phone, and you can go to your phone and do from there. But if you want to do from PC, there's no app on PC, so uh, you can just you know do from this website how I told you about. Once you remember, you can write blogs, you can message me from here, you can message me. It's a nice website. I hope you like it, and like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.